Maldives has announced that it will reduce country's dependency on the US dollar and will shift towards Chinese Renminbi. According to market forecast, the global Howitzer market will be worth $72 billion by 2032. A think tank has said that the Brahmos supersonic cruise missile is experiencing a surge in international interest, and numerous countries are lining up to acquire the Brahmos missile from India. Naval Group hosted the Chief of Defence Staff of the Indian Armed Forces at its headquarters in Paris, as it eyes an order for an additional 3 Scorpene-class submarines. The Brahmos sale to Greece might not happen, mainly due to Greece's membership in NATO, and there is a possibility that Russia might exercise its veto power due to Greece's continued support for Ukraine. India's plan to lease an Akula-class nuclear attack submarine from Russia appears to be facing potential cancellation, but official statements are needed to confirm the status of the deal. Pakistan is acquiring another batch of 10 CH-4 drones from China that will increase its fleet strength to 20. The United States has imposed sanctions on over a dozen companies, individuals and vessels, including 3 from India for facilitating trade with Iran. On the delivery of Brahmos supersonic cruise missiles to the Philippines, Chinese military has said that security cooperation between 2 countries should not harm the interest of any third party and affect regional stability. A C-17 transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force airdropped an indigenously developed heavy platform that can carry a maximum load of over 22 tons. The 114 MRFA tender offers a tempting solution for readily available 4.5 generation fighter jets, but experts have said that this path might lead to a strategic dead end, due to which India should set its sights on acquiring 5th generation fighter jets instead of MRFA. That would translate to a decisive edge in modern warfare. Investing in 4.5 generation fighters risks technological obsolescence by the time they are fully inducted, while investing in 5th generation aircraft can be a catalyst for India's indigenous AMCA. The 5th generation jets will come with a higher price tag and complex maintenance requirements. However, these costs must be weighed against the potential consequences of falling behind in modern aerial technology. Gas turbine research establishment will sign the deal to co-develop a new high-thrust engine with a foreign partner for the 5th generation AMCA program in the next 2 months, and officials have said that the engine will feature the highest dry thrust of 75 kN among contemporary aircraft in its weight class of 25 tons, that will enable the AMCA to achieve supercruise without engaging the afterburner, resulting in greater fuel efficiency and combat range during high-speed missions. AMCA engine requires higher thrust because it also needs to compensate for hot and dry conditions in India. When combined with the afterburner, the engine is expected to generate thrust levels comparable to the 123 kN AL-31F engines currently powering the Su-30 aircraft. The Aeronautical Development Establishment has issued an expression of interest inviting collaboration from reputed Indian industry partners to design and develop a sense and avoid system for medium and high-altitude long-endurance UAVs that will detect and avoid potential collisions with other airborne objects. The project also involves the design and development of key subsystems for the sense and avoid system, including ASA radar, airborne sense and avoid processor subsystem, automatic dependent surveillance broadcast technology, and associated ground displays. Today's top 3 comments.